Hey guys, how are you? How are you doing today? I hope you're having such an awesome week so far, and this is week 3, I think, of social distancing. I am literally tired and I cannot wait for this to be over and let's just get to our normal lives already. I'm excited to talk to you today. So today I'm actually going to be talking about something that is it's a question that I get a lot of my customers always ask. Like, how do I treat, why is my hair always breaking? Why do I suffer a lot of shedding? My hair is always shedding. You know, when your hair is shedding a lot and breaking a lot, it's not growing. But I'm going to be talking to you today while I prep my hair for the night. So my hair is, I use the mango shea butter after, I don't know if you guys follow my story, but sometimes I post a lot of my wash days on my story. So I did post on Friday that I had my wash day. So I've washed my hair for the entire 2 weeks. I wash my hair once every 2 weeks. I don't wash my hair often. And I did the Ayurvedic hair care treatment, which by the way is, I see a difference because my hair feels a lot like, it feels very, it has volume to it. I mean, it's always had volume, but I just feel like it got better. So I'm not going to be combing through this time around because I want to just leave in some of the curls in. So I'm just going to, section it and just twist it like this. Or I might put it in a band too if it doesn't stick. So today is number 5. 4C tips and tricks of how to, maintain flourishing and healthier 4C hair. So today we're going to be talking about what causes breakage. Why is your hair shedding? Why is your hair breaking a lot? Why does it seem like no matter what you do or what product you use, nothing seems to be working? Your hair is still breaking a lot. So I'm going to address this issue today, and then next week I'm going to be addressing how to stop breakage. So follow me. Don't be bored yet while I twist this in chunks and prepare it. So remember, I spoke about number 3, prepping your hair for the night. So I like to touch my hair, so I have to put it in twist back for me not to bother my hair. Okay, so the number 1 thing I'm going to be talking about today is dryness. And I'm sure a lot of customers, when they come to me and they tell me that my hair is always breaking a lot, that's the first thing I ask them. Is your hair dry? And what have you done to overcome dryness? So if your hair is really dry, so today I'm not going to be talking about the solution. I'm talking about why and why it's happening. So I'm going to talk about 9 different things of why your hair is breaking. And then next week, I'm going to talk about 9 ways of how to stop it from breaking. So follow this series, and I do pray and hope that I'm helping someone. I'm praying that you're learning something from this as well. So Number 1 is dryness. If your hair is very dry, your hair is going to be breaking and shedding a lot and no growth. And that's why a lot of people go, my hair never grows, past a certain length, or my hair is the same way for like 5 years. It's not moved past a different length. Okay, so if your hair is extremely dry, it's going to be breaking and shedding. And number 2 is heat damage. Like, you guys probably have been following my journey. You know that I don't incorporate any form of heat to my hair, apart from the heating cap, which is really low, medium heat, and I use it for my deep conditioning or for my treatment. So if your hair has heat damage right now, please do know that your hair is going to be breaking a lot and shedding, and that's why you might not see as much growth because it's damaged. And number 3 is diet. What are you eating? Sometimes what you eat. And I'm also going to talk about eating disorders under this. So if you're not eating properly. So you remember when I shared a picture of me where I suffered anemia? I was extremely anemic, and I used to, basically all I ate all day was ice and gum. Those were the things I was craving. If I didn't eat that, I literally had that for breakfast. That was what I didn't know I was anemic, But anyways, after that was sorted, I was never craving all those things anymore, which is so strange. But if you have an eating disorder, or you have really bad diet, like you're not eating proper nutritious food, then it might affect your hair growth. So I recommend for you to try to see a doctor if you have a eating disorder. But that always affects hair growth. It breaks your, you start seeing your hair is shedding a lot, like your hair is not growing. That's another symptoms of hair breakage. If you're stress, oh my God, stress is so bad, because stress sometimes leads to alopecia too. Remember I spoke about that last week? It leads to Arietta. And a lot of times, if you suffer from that kind of stress, you have to tackle it inside out before you start seeing results on your hair. So that also leads to hair breakage. So stress, try to, I know it's so hard, especially during this time, not to be stressed, but find what distresses you, and just go to that place all the time, if that makes sense. Number 5, not properly detangling your hair. That is, remember, I don't know if you watch all my videos, I always say be patient when you're detangling. There is a reason why I say that, because if you are detangling in haste or in a rush, you end up breaking your hair. So that leads to shedding as well. So when you're detangling patiently, all right? And then the next thing is not trimming your hair often. I know, because a lot of us wants to grow our hair. We dare not want to trim our hair thinking that we're losing length. But to be honest, even if you don't trim often, just try to trim once every 6 months. I do it once every 3 months. So I'm coming up right now. I think I'm going to do it again in 2 months. I'm going to trim my hair. So you can trim your hair once every 6 months if you're not too comfortable or too happy about trimming your hair. But it's actually good for you to do that, because if you are not trimming your hair regularly, it's going to lead to shedding. Your hair is going to break a lot. So, you know, I hope that you can incorporate that. You'd be surprised, but elastic bands, like when you put your hair in a ponytail or when you put your hair in styles, just be careful of those bands, because they kind of rip out your hair sometimes as well. Improper towel drying. So if you notice, when I wash my hair, I always use, actually let me show you what I use. I always use this is a cotton, 100% cotton scarf that I use to dry my hair, because when you use a towel, most of the time it actually breaks your hair. It's always better for you to air dry your hair as if you can. So I normally go through this so it doesn't really strip out all the water, because my hair needs to be damp for me to be able to do anything with it. So me using this, by the time I'm ready to after I get out of the shower and put this on my hair, when I take it out, my hair is still damp. The water is still there, if that makes sense. So it doesn't strip it out. So you using cotton clothes to dry your hair is better than you using a towel. So that's, I think, number 9. So I went through everything. So if you notice that your hair is really breaking a lot, so that might, one of those things that I mentioned might be the reason why. So it's so important for you to, you know, take care of your body inside out, take care of your mind. It's important, because when your mind is not, your brain especially is not working properly, it affects your entire body. So I hope that helps clarify for those that asked me the questions that why is my hair always breaking? Like, even when I use your oils, my hair is always breaking. At the end of the day, oils are, you know, they're supposed to help. Well, the oils are meant to help you maintain healthier hair, but you also have to do some work as well. You cannot just use the oil and just do nothing, or not have a hair care regimen, or not take care of your body inside out, or not take care of your mind, or you know, all those things are important as well. And you just having a good hair care regimen helps. My hair is ready, so this is how I literally prep my hair, so that I can not touch it and leave it and let it be. But I know it looks funny. But the reason why I'm always doing this is so that you guys can see how I'm, you know, keeping my hair. So I hope this helps. Next week, I'm going to be talking about the different ways to stop breakage. So thank you for watching, and try to do something new this week if you can. If you're social distancing like I am, find something that excites you. Nice talking to you, and I truly hope this helped. If it's helped you, share it. Help a sister out. You never know who needs to hear stuff like this. But yeah, thank you, and have an awesome day. Bye.